You know, I just love this height. This is a perfect height.
She a freak in the sheets.
This is Kiss and Tell. We're doing with Hobby Max some interviews from the chair. Okay, how's it going, Kendra?
The chair. We love the chair.
You know, I just love this height. This is a perfect height. Peripheral bounce. Oh, so what are you most looking forward to this evening?
Going to the bar right after this.
Oh yeah, the bar.
Yeah.
I just got some chicken tenders and some French fries.
See, I.
You eyeing it? You want a bite? You want a little bit? Take a fry.
Oh, okay. Oh, that was somebody else's fries then. I'm taking yours.
Sensational. The way you dip that cream, it's like you've involved with cream
Oh,
before.
look at it. Can't even tell that it tastes bad. I'm such a
Oh,
black
you
dress.
can't even tell.
Can't even tell. It's like cold.
Oh, is it cold? Yeah, it's a little whatever.
You wouldn't even know.
You wouldn't even know. What's speaking of can't tell if it tastes bad? Is it a thing where you like a guy's diet really affects if it tastes good or bad?
I think everybody's diet affects how they taste for sure. For sure.
And like, what's the best diet for a girl and a guy? Like, if you're trying to help them out with, you know.
Oh, don't they say pineapple? Is that like a real? Is that a myth?
Is it a myth?
I don't know.
You gotta figure that out. And what are you nominated for today?
I'm nominated for Best Career First.
Oh wow! And what was that first?
My first scene I did after 10 years. Yeah.
Wow, sensational! Congratulations! I hope you win.
Oh, thank you. We'll see.
All right, and where do you want people to find you at now?
You can follow me on Instagram at the Real KS Library Girl.
All right, talk to you soon. It's Hobby Mac, Kiss and Tell.
Hobby!